Hello and welcome to Speak English Like a Native. In this new lesson, we're going to start a new course called 4000 Essential English Words. We're going to take in this course the most 4000 common English words used in daily life. Let's start with Unit 1. The first word is agree. Agree means to have the same opinion or belief, you and another person. For example, the students agree they have too much homework. The students agree they have too much homework. Alcohol. Alcohol is a drink or a type of drink that can make people drunk. A type of drink that can make people drunk. For example, a person shouldn't drive a car after he or she has been drinking alcohol. A person shouldn't drive a car after he or she has been drinking alcohol. Arrive. Arrive. Arrive is to get to somewhere. When you are in a place and move to another place, when you get to the second place, you arrived. So arrive is to get to somewhere. They arrived at school at 7 a.m. August. August is the eighth month of the year. The eighth month of the year. Is your birthday in August? Is your birthday in August? Boat. A boat is a vehicle that moves across water. A boat is a vehicle that moves across water. There is a small boat on the lake. There is a small boat on the lake. Breakfast. Breakfast. The breakfast is the morning meal. The morning meal. The food or the meal you eat in the early morning. I ate eggs for breakfast. I ate eggs for breakfast. Camera. Camera. The camera is a piece of equipment that takes pictures. I brought my camera on my vacation. I brought my camera on my vacation. Capital. Capital. The capital is a city where a country's government is based, like Washington in USA, like Cairo in Egypt, like Delhi in India, and so on. The capital of United States is Washington, D.C. The capital of United States is Washington, D.C. Catch. Catch is to grab or get something. Grab or get something. Did you catch the ball during the baseball game? Did you catch the ball during the baseball game? Duck. The duck is a small water bird. People feed ducks at the lake. People feed ducks at the lake. Enjoy. Enjoy. Enjoy is to like doing something or like something. The woman enjoys riding her bicycle. The woman enjoys riding her bicycle. Invite. Invite. To invite is to ask someone to come to a place or an event. To invite is to ask someone to come to a place or event. I will invite my friends to my birthday party. I'll invite my friends to my birthday party. Love. To love is to like something or someone a lot. I love my family very much. I love my family very much. Month. Month. A month is one of 12 periods of time in one year. We have 12 months in a year. January is the first month of the year. January is the first month of the year. Travel, travel. Travel is to go to a faraway place on vacation or business. Travel is to go to a faraway place on vacation or business. They will travel to Argentina this summer. People traveled to USA to watch the World Cup. Typical, typical. If something is typical, it is normal or something that usually happens. My typical breakfast is toast and eggs. Visit. To visit is to go and spend time in another place or see another person. She wants to visit her grandmother. Weather. Weather is the temperature and the state of the outdoors. Today's weather is rainy and cloudy. Today's weather is rainy and cloudy. Week. The week is a period of time that is 7 days long. What are you doing next week? What are you doing next week? Wine. Wine is an alcoholic drink made from grapes. Wine is an alcoholic drink made from grapes. The store carried both red and white wine. The store carried both red and white wine. And here is a paragraph about the Amalfi Coast that gathered all the words in this unit together. Let's read it together. The Amalfi Coast in Italy is a beautiful place to travel. It is a beautiful area with an interesting culture. Located on the Tyrrhenian Sea next to the Mediterranean in southern Italy. The Amalfi Coast has high mountains and amazing beaches. Amalfi is on the west coast of Italy, and it takes less than 4 hours to drive there from Rome, the country's capital. You'll love it from the moment you arrive there. There are many activities for travelers, including beautiful beaches for swimming. You can also play games on the beach and catch frisbees. A boat trip is a good way to spend the day, and you may see ducks and other birds sitting on the water. Fishing is also a popular activity. There are dozens of villages on the Amalfi Coast, and you can visit one of them to see how a typical local person lives. And if you're friendly, you might even get invited into someone's house to enjoy home cooked Italian food. Italians like drinking alcohol, especially wine. The Amalfi Coast has lots of gardens to explore. Italy is famous for its pizza and pasta. However, the Amalfi Coast is also well known for fish and octopus because it is located next to the water. Pastries are a popular breakfast food on the Amalfi Coast. August is a popular month to travel to the Amalfi Coast because the weather is warm. It's easy to spend the week traveling around the area. Make sure to take a camera so you can take a lot of photos. We are sure you'll agree that it's a great place.